So this is your host, Solefly Sector, checking in for another video. Hope you guys doing well, being safe, and all that good stuff. Hope you guys having a Solefly day today. So we have a pretty crazy unboxing for you guys today because it is a early unboxing. It releases tomorrow, but I had these sneakers 3 to 4 weeks early, and like I bought them 4 weeks ago and I got them 3 weeks ago. So I can't wait for you guys to see these because these are especially special, really special, especially these specific pairs because I've been on the hunt for these for quite some time, ever since I first started watching sneaker YouTube. And when I was like back then when I started college, I watched some of the YouTube fashion videos and then it went to sneaker YouTube. And when I saw these sneakers, I was completely impressed on how Air Jordans were so nice and so great, and just the Air Jordan 6 in general, it was crazy. So I want this to be a short video because I need to show you these. So as you could tell by the box, let's flip it over. By the box, the Air Jordan box right there, and my handprint there. Let's get into these videos. Let's get into these. So can't wait to show you guys these because these are special for just Air Jordans in general. Ooh. So there you have it. As you can see, now you guys know what I got. What I got 4 weeks ago were these, and these are the Air Jordan 6 Carmines. Right there. Let's get a little whew. So with the Nike Air, we finally got the Nike Air on the back. Let's get the other one out. So got these on Sneaker Knockers. Shout out to them. Got them early, way early. And there you have it. The Carmine 6s. I finally have a pair of the Carmine 6s. I've been waiting to own this specific pair of Air Jordan 6 because these are my favorite OG Air Jordan 6 ever. And I can't believe I finally have them. And I had them early and I got them early. So I just couldn't wait to officially see them in my hands, in my house, everything. I don't know when I will rock these because these are so nice. Just look at that, beautiful. These are completely a iconic pair of Jordans that Michael Jordan wore back in 1991 to 1992. Like it was that era of the Air Jordan 6. And these Carmines with the Nike Air on the back released in 91, and they never retroed the Carmine 6 in with the Nike Air in the back since now. So this is the first time that they retroed the Carmines with the Nike Air on the back. How crazy is that? They did re-retro back in 2008, and then they re-retroed it again with in 2014. They re-retroed it. So, but they only had the Jumpman on the back, not the Nike Air, which is crazy. I didn't know that. At first, I thought they did re-retroed it back then. I don't know, in the early 2000s, but I guess not. They both had it with the Jumpman, but not with the Nike Air, and we finally got it. So 2021 is looking really great for OG sneakers like this. This is crazy. Can't believe it. They have like a really soft nubuck uppers, and on the red, like you could just feel it if you do have a pair and you do have a chance to cop a pair tomorrow. Tomorrow they're gonna release February 13th. So, and that is tomorrow. So I just had to give you guys this video soon. I mean, I'm sorry I took so long, and yeah, I'm sorry about that. Has a nice leather on the white right there, on the white parts, with that bold and bright red right there. And that's more of like a nubuck upper there, and it feels nice. Feels nice. People were shocked back in 91 of how crazy these looked with that bold red on the shoe and white. It just really pops in my opinion. And with the icy bottom, like I swear to you guys, these are just really special sneakers that I myself, could say. So finally have them. I don't have to wake up tomorrow. I mean, I don't know if I want a second pair, but I don't really like to have two pairs of the same shoes. I mean, I don't know. I just never was a fan of it. So tell me in the comments below, are you gonna acquire these? Are you gonna wake up tomorrow and try to get a pair? If not, just leave that in the comments down below, and please leave a like on this video and hit that subscribe button, and I hope you guys have a Solefly day. So, aka thumbnail. Thumbnail action, thumbnail. And this is your host, Solefly Sector. Please hit that subscribe button and a like. And I see you guys on the next video. Hope you have a blessed day and safe day today. See ya.